Hello and welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I'm Prajwal Desai and these are the headlines. Locals very upset over ongoing sewage works destroying roads, want the authorities to act, complete work. Same situation all over the state. 5 days police custody to all 3 accused in the gruesome double murders at Ambaji, Fatoda. Welsau finally broke the jinx in the 37th match of the GFC Selval Goa Pro League by 2 goals to 1 at the Duler Stadium in Mapsa on Tuesday. Now the news in detail. Margao JMFC on Wednesday granted 5 days police custody to all the 3 accused in the murders of 2 senior citizens at Ambaji in Fatoda. They will be again produced before the JMFC on 16th of this month for further demand.
All the 3 accused Akash Ghosh, age 20 years, resident of Jharkhand, Aditya Kumar, age 18 years, resident of Jharkhand, and Rabin Kumar, age 18 years, resident of Bihar, were arrested from Dadar in Mumbai. They were produced in Margao JMFC court on Wednesday morning.
Further, all the 3 accused were brought to Goa and today they were produced before the Judicial Magistrate First Class and remanded for 5 days police custody. And they will be produced on 16th morning before the Judicial Magistrate for further remand.
Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365 from Margao.
In Ponda, the work of laying sewage pipelines, gas pipelines and water pipeline is currently going on. Most of the roads are dug up. Ponda locals' sewage system work be expedited. Here's more.
Ponda MLA Ravi Naik held a review meeting with officials of various departments on Wednesday. The laying of sewerage network has been going on for quite some time. Several huge and deep craters have been dug at Dag in Ponda, where the workers have encountered hard basalt rock formation. This has forced the contractor to dig deep.
सिवरेज स्कीम सिवरेज म्हणटा ते आमी आतां वारकड्यां कंप्लीट केला हांगाय कंप्लीट केला आनी विथीन बाय मे अशी कंप्लीट जातली म्हणटा ते लायटीचे जे आसा पळय ते लायटीचे डिपार्टमेंटाचे आयज आमी तांकां आपोवना कित्याक तेंचे मेंटेनन्स चालू आसा गॅस कितें आसता तें आमी विथीन 7 days आपण कंप्लीट करता कितें तें काम आसा रस्ते कट करपाचें ते एका डांबर घालपा लागून आमच्या बार्डोकर बिल्डिंगे कडेन थोडें तें उरलां म्हणून तें काम करता आनी थोडी आतां कनेक्शनां रिलीज जातली.
Krishna Naik for Goa 365 from Ponda.
Water woes in Goa are a major issue and still remain unsolved despite the government promises. In Morji, people do not receive water regularly. When the water is released, it is released occasionally and all you get is dirty, muddy water. Locals are forced to manually clean this water before using it.
Goa has plenty of water, but there is no proper mechanism to supply it. The mechanism will be put in place, the Chief Minister Pramod Sawant had promised last year. However, his statements are yet to be put into action, and the Mojim village proves it. Goa, which got award for 100% tap connectivity, get dirty and muddy water. And Mojim's Murdiwada and New Wada are an example. The villagers complain that they are facing problem of irregular water supply for the last 15 years. As there was scarcity of fresh water, PWD had dug borewell and water was supplied through water pipelines, but all they get is muddy and dirty water. They approached to PWD and local panchayat, but it has not been of any use.
हांव मोरजेच्यान आयज मोरजे न्यू वाडा गेल्या 15 वर्सांच्यान आमी त्या नळाक पाणी बरें येतलें म्हणून आयज वाट पळयतात. पूण हे पळय, हे आयज त्या नळाक असले पाणी येता आनी हे पाणी आमकां आयज यूज करचें पडटा. हेतूर क्लोरीन जावं ती फडकी घालून आमी आयज क्लीन करून असलें पाणी आमी आयज हें करता, यूज करता. डिपार्टमेंटाक खबर आसा, डिपार्टमेंटाक सांगलें, तेचेर कांयच एक्शन घेयनात. हांगा 2 बोरवेलां आसात. एक भाई खलपान मारलेलें एक बोरींग 1988 आनी एक बोरींग आमच्या लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर सरान मारलेलें. सो ते 2 बोरवेलाची कनेक्शनां आयज ह्या PWDच्या लायनीक कनेक्ट केल्या आनी थंय तो पंप चालू केल्या उपरांत ते पाणी आयज ह्या नळाक येता आनी ते आमकां यूज करचें पडटा. पूण कोणाक खबर ना ते पाणी कशें येता तें. हे पळय, हे आतां म्हाज्या नळाच्या टॅबांत घेतलेले, ही मोरजेसून लायन येयल्या त्या टॅबाचे आनी एक मांद्रेच्यान लायन येयल्या. अशें म्हाज्या कडेन 2 नळाचे टॅब आसात. 2नय लायनीक सेम कलर येता, पूण मांद्रेच्यान जी लायन येता तेका एक्कय उदीक म्हणटा तें अजिबात ना. आयज हो न्यू वाडो पाणये खातीर तडफडटा जावं हे लोक आयज हें करतात, पूण हे लोक पिवपा खातीर आयज सकयल आपल्या जुन्या घरा कडेन वचान आयज पिवपा खातीर 5 लिटर जावं 10 लिटराची पाणी घेवन येतात गाडयेन. पूण यूज करपाक हेच उदीक आमकां यूज करचें पडटा. म्हाजी रिक्वेस्ट आहा आमदाराक, आनी आमदार आयज BJP सरकारात आहा आनी BJP सरकार आसलो, हेतूर फक्त चेहरे चेंज जाले पूण काम करपाची तेंची थेरी आहा ती सेम. आयज कशी थेरी आसात जावं ह्या न्यू वाड्यार आयज व्हडले कार्यकर्ते आहात, माजी सरपंच पंच हेंचीय घरां आसात. आयज ते फुडें सरान कित्याक हे सांगनात हे म्हाका कांय खबर ना. आयज इतलीं घरां आसात जाल्यार एकटोय तोंड उगडूंक बगिना.
Sandeep Kamulkar, Fugwa 365 from Morji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. A new grouping, Mapsekarancho Ekvot, has decided to contest elections to the Mapsa Municipal Council. On Wednesday, they announced 15 candidates and the remaining 5 they will announce on Thursday.
The leaders of Mapsekarancho Ekvot expressed confidence that the panel will get elected with a thumping majority. Mapsa town has not seen much development for a long time. Mapsekars elected BJP candidate for the past several years, but the problems remain unsolved.
प्रपोज कावन्सिलर्स आसा तांची एक हे काडले आसा 15 जाण, पण बाकीचे 20 टोटल उरलेले आहात न्ही, हे टोटल 20 आसात न्ही, ताचे नांव आमी डिक्लेअर करतले ह्या कोटा अंडर. आनी आमच्या म्हापशान खुबश्यो समस्या आहात, ताजे वयर कसो तोडगो काडपाचो किंवा ताची चालना कशी लावपाची, जशें बस स्टँड, पार्किंग आनी अनेक अशे विशय आसात ते कशे चालीक लावपाचे. ह्या हेतूक लागून ही जी म्हापशेकारांचो एकवट आसा न्ही तो आमी स्थापीत केल्लो आसा.
ह्या खेपेक तुमी आमच्या कौन्सिलाक निवडून दियात, पूर्ण पाठिंब्यान निवडून दियात आनी तुमी त्या कौन्सिलरांच्या घरा वचात करिना जाल्यार. हे जर कोण काम करिना न्हू तांकां लोकांनी वचून मारूंक जाय हांव म्हणटा तर. आनी म्हाका जाल्यार पूर्ण खात्री आहा हे आमचें पॅनल येतलें पळय आनी सगळे म्हापशेकार हेच्या फाटल्यान आसात आनी ते 100% आमकां निवडून दितले आनी पूर्ण भोवमतान निवडून दितले.
Meanwhile, Alpana Shirodkar had decided to contest the Mapsa Council election as an independent candidate. She says she wants to empower women besides taking up garbage and roads problem.
कॉमन म्हणजे आतां रस्ते, मागीर वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट, गार्बेज ह्यो कॉमन आसातूच, ते आमी लक्ष दितलीच. पण आणखीन एक गोष्ट तुमकां लक्षांत हाडप सोदता ती म्हणजे वुमन एम्पावरमेंट. म्हाजें एक ल्हानपणांतल्यान स्वप्न आशिल्लें की म्हाका बायलांक बरो फुडार दिवचो.
म्हाजी तरी म्हापशाच्या जनते कडेन मागणी आसा की पॅनलान आसलेली व्यक्ती पळोवन वोटींग करचें, पॅनलूच खंयचो प्रमोट करचो न्ही. भितून समजा जर आमकां जर गेल्या फावटीचें जर उदाहरण पळयलें की गेल्या फावटी एकाच पॅनलान कांय न्ही म्हटल्यार 16 कावन्सिलर्स जिखून हाडले आनी गेल्या 5 वर्सान जी कामां जावं शकताली बरी तेजे पेक्षा म्हणजे आनी फाटल्या 5 वर्सां पयलीं जी कितें कामां बरी जाल्ली तेजे पेक्षा कमी कामां करून ह्या ग्रुपान फक्त जे लोकां कडल्यान जे फीडबॅक येता फक्त आपलेच स्वताचे स्वार्थ साधून घेतले.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 from Mapsa.
India reported 17,921 new COVID-19 cases. 6 states, Maharashtra, Kerala, Punjab, Karnataka, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu accounted for 83.76% of the 17,921 cases, up from yesterday. Goa had 69 positive cases out of 1,491 tests done.
India reported 20,652 recoveries and 133 deaths in the last 24 hours. The total cases in the country now stands at 1,12,62,707. The total recoveries reported are 1,09,20,046. The total active cases are 1,84,598. The death toll stands at 1,58,063. Here are the details of daily cases. Active cases and total cases reported by 6 states contributing 80% to the daily cases. Maharashtra 9,927, Kerala 2,316, Punjab 1,027, Karnataka 590, Gujarat 581, Tamil Nadu 569 cases. Active cases: Maharashtra 96,548, Kerala 37,446, Punjab 8,522, Karnataka 7,052, Tamil Nadu 4,073, Gujarat 3,338 cases. Cumulative cases: Maharashtra 22.38 lakhs, Kerala 10.81 lakhs, Karnataka 9.56 lakhs, Tamil Nadu 8.56 lakhs, Gujarat 2.74 lakhs, Punjab 19,067. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for some sports news. Welsau SCC finally managed to mark up a winning wave at the Selval Goa Pro League this season. Welsau SC beat host Panjim footballers by 2-1 in match number 27 of the league played at Duleer Stadium in Mapsa on Wednesday. Here's more.
The match against Panjim footballers was a must-win situation for the southern visitors, as Welsau had not won any match this season. While Panjim footballers made sure that they play as per the style, they are known for ball possession and counter-attacks. However, Welsau created 4 chances to take the lead in the first 20 minutes of the kick-off. It was Filton de Cunha who gave Welsau the lead in the 39th minute. The second half became much interesting. Panjim footballers started off on an attacking note, but Welsau defense stood strong. In the 79th minute, it was Akram Yadvad who equalized, keeping Panjim footballers' hopes alive. But just a few minutes before the final whistle, Brian Mascarenhas restored Welsau SSC's lead 2-1 at the 87th minute. Watch out for the clash on Thursday between Cesar FA and Sporting Club de Goa, live only on Goa 365 TV from 3:40 onwards. Cleaner D'Souza for Goa 365 from Duleer.
There will be no large change in maximum and minimum temperatures in the next 4 to 5 days. Sky will remain clear and would become partly cloudy towards afternoon or evening. Light fog or haze to prevail in the early mornings. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 33 degrees Celsius and 23 to 25 degrees Celsius respectively.
Dry weather prevailed over Goa. There was no large change in minimum and maximum temperatures and it was above normal over the state. The lowest minimum temperature of 24 to 25 degrees C was recorded at Panji, and highest maximum temperature of 33 degrees C was also recorded at Panji. Highlights: no large change in maximum and minimum temperatures during 4 to 5 days. Sky will remain clear and turn partly cloudy in the afternoon or evening. Possibility of fog or haze in the morning. Maximum temperatures to be around 33 degrees C. Minimum temperatures to be around 24 to 25 degrees C. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa 365 TV and subscribe onto our YouTube channel Goa 365 TV, or download our app on Android and iPhone to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching.